Hi! New video after like 3-4 months. Yeah. Well, anyways, yeah, new video. This is a thing that, Fumi-san here on YouTube found, and she kind of just went like, hey, this looks neat. And I said, hey, how about I do it as well? And so, yeah, I did it. It's a, so she went on this site, I forgot what it was called. I'll put somewhere, the name of the site somewhere. I forgot what it was called, but yeah. And so it generated your Instagram color palette or something like that. So like whatever post you have, it generates a color palette from like the posts that you've posted. So yeah, it generates nine colors. And thank you, computer. I did not need that. Anyways, it generates 9 colors. And so that's your Instagram color palette. And I use those 9 colors to create a drawing. And so from what I saw from these colors was like a kind of a wintry mountain scene. I don't know. That's what I saw. Another thing I could have done was like just create a character from it, but honestly, it was just I didn't feel like doing that, and plus, I don't know. It's all I do on this channel, just draw characters. So I kind of wanted to try to do a different thing. And so I drew this kind of landscapey thingy. I don't know, whatever the heck. But yeah, mountains, snowy mountains, whatever the heck. Oh, I drew some inspiration from like Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild stuff, because if you look at my Instagram, you can very much tell that when I was playing the game, I was like completely obsessed with it and I would not stop playing it. And now that I beat again, and all I had to do is collect the rest of the Korok seeds. So yeah, I already did all the shrines, if you're wondering, so yeah. I just need to get all the Korok seeds. 900 of them. I'm probably going to shoot myself before I finish it, but you know. Ha! Well, yeah, I want to try replaying the game on Master Mode because that looks absolutely fun, and yeah. So I will probably most likely do that. And so I went on a tangent. Anyways, oh, I drew inspiration from the Breath of the Wild scenery and from like the snowfield, the snowfield stable. That's what it's called. Yeah, snowfield stable. If you look at like the game from like around there, that's where I was kind of like drawing most of the inspiration from, and like snowy peak mountains and stuff like that. So I was looking mostly at that and drew inspiration from that. And I basically created mountains in the background. I should have done trees, but I was honestly kind of tired of sitting at the desk. So yeah. It is pretty late at the moment as I am recording this voiceover, but yes. I had a good time doing this. It was fun. Would I do it again? Probably. If I had a different color palette, not just complete grays. Yeah. I did use all 9 colors, by the way. I used all of them. It may not look like it, but I did use all 9 colors. Also, oh god. Well, also, it's weird. I'm looking at the video now, and like there are parts that are really choppy. I don't know if that was because I was kind of overworking the computer because I had a lot of things open at the time. So I feel like that's probably me overworking the computer and the recording software, so that might have been a thing. So you're gonna kind of see a bit of choppiness here and there. Sorry about that. I'll try to edit out as much of the choppiness as I can, but don't expect too much because yeah, it's gonna like shorten the length of the video a ton. And I know I could just slow the video down, but it's just like if you're looking at it the way I'm looking at it right now, it's not good, but yeah. I'll do my best to cut out like all of the parts that stay on one area for too long. So yeah, I'll do that. And so yeah. What else do I have to say? Oh, the brushes I'm using for Photoshop, they're actually if you haven't noticed, I'm using Photoshop instead of pen tools, I like usually. But the brushes that I've used for Photoshop, there are these brushes that I got from this artist. Hold on, let me pull up his name really quick because I don't want to butcher it randomly. Jeremy Fenske, something like that. Jeremy Fenske, I think that's it. That's how you pronounce it. His first name definitely is a Jeremy. Definitely is Jeremy. His last name is just really weird. Fenske? I don't know. Fenske? No, there's not even an E there. Well, whatever. Look him up. I'll put him in the description somewhere. He's really cool and I love his stuff, so definitely check him out. I love his stuff. It's amazing. You should see like all of his like background stuff. It's really pretty. And so yeah, I used the brushes that you could get in this like brush pack if you on this Gumroad. They're free, but like I at the time I wish I had like something to pay for them, but like yeah, you can go ahead and look at his stuff, and if you want you can get the brushes. But yeah, I'll put his links below so you can check him out. And yeah, he's like I love his artwork so much, especially his Breath of the Wild stuff. I have one of his drawings as like my desktop background right now, and it's I open my laptop all the time to see that, and I'm just like just beauty. I love it. It's just so pleasing to look at that. It's just so beautiful. Like yes. It just makes you want to play Breath of the Wild all over again. It's just like yes. Speaking of which, I definitely have to do that. I really want to play Breath of the Wild in Master Mode. I'm currently playing Majora's Mask 3D because I have never played Majora's Mask before, and I honestly really do love Majora's Mask so far. It's so freaking beautiful and it's amazing, and I love it so much. It's great. I love Legend of Zelda so much. If you look at my Instagram, you can tell how much I've gone crazy over all of these Zelda games. It's just amazing. Yes. Just yes. But yeah. As also I said on my Instagram that I do have like a whole sketchbook dedicated to like Legend of Zelda stuff, and it's freaking hilarious just to have a sketchbook dedicated to Legend of Zelda stuff, but there, I'm doing it, yeah. I filled a few pages in it. I haven't been drawing too much lately because of school, but yeah. I also haven't uploaded much because of school, but like I guess that's my fault because I don't know how to manage time, and I've also gotten sick a lot, and yeah, but yes, do I have anything else to say? I don't think I have anything else to say. Oh, yes, I do have something else to say. I noticed not too long ago, I reached 100 subscribers, and I was just like, I should totally do something for that. And then I get sick. Well, yeah, I should do something for that at some point, and I really want to. I should make a complete video dedicated to that, and yeah. So yes, I'll see what I can do. What if it happens? I don't know. I'm not promising anything, but I'm saying it could, but not exactly. I'm not promising anything, as I said, but it's a maybe. Take it as a maybe, not a yes, a maybe. But yeah, that's basically all I have to say. I will see you in the next video that I should upload. I hope not 3 months from now, but you know. I'll see you later. Bye.